Hassan Yaqoob, who is chairman of Commerce Council of CII UP and Associate Director of Flipkart Group, to please give your address. And as Gaurav has already explained, that they have been playing a very, very important role in ODUP. Over to you.
Very good afternoon, everybody, eminent listeners also. Thank you so much. I would like to congratulate first Mr. Ravi Gupta and entire team of ELETS for organizing such a wonderful program initiative and a sort of gathering which will be helpful for each other. बहुत बहुत मुबारक आपको. The time is less, lunch is nearby, will not take a long time for you. I would like to divide my sharing of dialogues in two parts. Number one, how e-commerce has played a role till now and it is being continued for the betterment of Uttar Pradesh artisans, MSME sellers, etc. and how it could be helpful and we could be instrumental for the people who are sitting in this room. The objective, या we can say, जो आपका शीर्षक है उभरते सितारे, रवि जी, तो उभरते सितारे एक बहुत अच्छा आप लोगों ने शीर्षक रखा है. जाहिर सी बात है, उभरते सितारे फंड इज अ इनिशिएटिव फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, बट दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम listening that any of the organization has conducted on this topic. उभरते सितारे है, उभरता उत्तर प्रदेश. E-commerce sector is also a उभरता sector. E-commerce right now is playing a significant role in the upliftment of the MSME sellers. We can say उभरते MSMEs, उभरते entrepreneurs, उभरते startups, उभरते artisans, and especially to the rural class people, या उभरते villagers भी आप कह सकते हैं. See, till now e-commerce has played a significant role in the transformation of the artisans to the MSME sellers. See, Mr. Gaurav has already spoken about the ODOP as a wonderful initiative taken by government of UP, and it is doing, the entire world is appreciating about this product. So I will not speak much about the ODOP. We have played a good role and we are working shoulder to shoulder with ODOP definitely, and we are always there. I just wanted to speak about the artisans and the people who belongs to rural area and who wants help for their upliftment. I think which is the basic role and initiative and objective of ODOP. So e-commerce is right now playing a role at the ground level, how to encourage people, how to invite people just to get the national reach for selling their product, for getting the brand visibility, for the revenue generation. These are the aspects which are helpful right now for the artisans and the MSME sellers. E-commerce is also playing a good role in sustainability also. Recently, Honorable CM was there in the this climate summit. So entire e-commerce is working, and numerous companies have already passed the mandate that we will use no plastic. We will use the sustainability model, including the e-vehicles also. So e-commerce also playing a role in the climate and this environment healthy infrastructure. How e-commerce is presently playing a role for the betterment of artisans, number one. When any of the artisans get attached with us, we firstly try to inform them about the benefits, how to onboard, how to do cataloging, how we can assist them in the photography, how to list their products. We also give warehousing support and number of things which we always try to bring on the table of the person who is not very much literate. As a result, when one of the artisan from any rural area gains the pace in his business, definitely adjacent people, neighbors of this particular artisans get motivated how he is doing and we cannot do. One benefit of the e-commerce and national reach to artisans and MSME sellers that a new generation is coming in their business of their father, yeah, their parents. Because artisans at the rural level are not aware with the IT infrastructure and they are not IT enabled. So they always try to seek help from their children. कि भाई हमने अपना तो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग तो कर रहे हैं ज़माने से हम कर रहे हैं. Now this is the trend of online era. So their children are coming up as an entrepreneur. Earlier they were only involved in the manufacturing of their product. Now their children are coming as an entrepreneur. They are very much keen to develop their own startup, their own brand. I think this is a really helping cause for the artisan and for the MSME sellers in the Uttar Pradesh. And as Gaurav was speaking, Kala Namak, we proudly say that we have also onboarded Kala Namak on our platform. So these are some things which are right now e-commerce is doing. Now, I will not take much of your time. Just to conclude, how we could be helpful for the people in nearby and the people who are not here, you can also communicate. See, we have different programs. What the benefit we are giving to the artisans and MSME sellers, if the person is having an artisan card and GST also, because on e-commerce GST is necessary. If the person is not having a GST, our team also try to help just to procure GST number for them. Number one, we give benefit to free cataloging, free photography at their doorstep. We don't ask कि आप यहाँ पे आ जाइए. हम उनके घर पे जाते हैं, उनके शॉप पे जाते हैं, फोटोग्राफी कराते हैं, कैटलॉग बनवाते हैं, लिस्टिंग कराते हैं. We also train them कि how to list product and in what manner how they should portray their product and with respect to the market in terms of revenue. So these are the things which we are trying to bring for the people of Uttar Pradesh, and we are, I think it's a privilege and honor that we are part of ODOP as a e-commerce partner. Also अभी तो शुरुआत है, जैसे कहा कि 1000 करोड़ तो शुरुआत है, अभी तो आगाज़ है, अंजाम बहुत दूर है. And thank you so much for the eminent gathering here and listen, patient listeners. This is a lunch time, I think, arrived. I will not make much time, and my best wishes to ELETS for organizing this program, and in future, keep on doing such a wonderful job. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.